How to log out from Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually log out from the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the process of logging out is actually fairly simple. First of all, you have to make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. Now keep in mind that depending upon the update and depending upon the time you're actually watching this video, the logout option and the logout session may actually differ because Facebook constantly updates their interface. If I actually log out today, you will not be able to see the same option tomorrow, so you have to keep that in mind and watch this video. Make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. You have to head over to your app store, in a search box type in Facebook, go ahead and simply update the app if you see an update button there. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to open it, and very next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically, you can see I'm already logged into my account. After you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to actually log out, it is actually fairly and very simple. From the bottom right hand side of the screen, you can see these three horizontal lines. You have to simply tap on the three horizontal lines which you see, which is the menu section. Once you go to menu, you'll be able to see a bunch of shortcuts, a bunch of pages which you have, and a bunch of different options such as settings, help and support, community resources, marketplace, memories, videos, events, saved, and many more options. But in order to just log out from the Facebook app, you have to scroll and slide all the way to the bottom of the screen on your iPhone, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find this little button at the center which says log out. And this is basically the option to actually log out from the Facebook app. You have to tap on the log out button which you see. As you tap on log out, it is going to basically again ask you, are you sure you want to log out? You have to tap on the log out button which is highlighted in red text. So tap on log out, and you can see we have been taken to the main login screen. Now you could go ahead and actually enter any of the other Facebook app which you might actually want to log into. And this is basically how you can log out Facebook app on your iPhone, and the process is also similar on iPad. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.